kid. Today we are going to learn about the home of ants. Well, if I ask you where do you stay, what would be your answer? You would say you stay in your home, correct? Similarly, animals also have their home. Like the lions stay in the den, the snake stay in the burrows, and even the birds stay in their nests. But what about the ant? Let's find out. One day, John was reading Alice in Wonderland while sitting in his backyard. Well, he was so engrossed in the story, he didn't realize when he had fallen asleep. And in his dream, he was fantasizing about a big kingdom that he was seeing. Suddenly, he saw a huge creature, that is, a big red ant with a staff. He asked her, "Who are you?" Well, on that, she became very angry. She told John that you have come to my kingdom and you are asking me who I am? Well, I am the queen of this ant kingdom and this was her colony. Hearing that, John started laughing. Ha ha ha. Ant colony? Well, what is that? I have never heard about an ant colony. Well, on that, the queen ant asked, "Well, you don't know what is a colony? A colony is a place where people of same type stay together by building their homes. Similarly, ants also make their home and stay together." So, the queen ant directed her staff towards a wall and she started explaining. Just like we have the carpenters who build our houses, the windows and doors, similarly, they have got the carpenter ants. What do? Well, they dig new rooms for the other ants. How? Well, they chew with the help of their mandibles on the decaying part of the wood. And finally, they make the new room for the other ants. Other than that, they have also got a queen or the female ants who take care of the eggs. And they also have got an egg hatchery wherein the eggs are kept properly until they hatch into the new ants. Even when we have got waste or garbage in our room, what do? We put it in the dustbin, correct? Similarly, in the ant colony, they have got the trash room where they put the substances which are garbage or waste for them. Even after the food that we have got, we crave for the sugary items, right? Like pastries, candies. Even in the ant colony, they have the aphids who suck the nectar from the plants and store it for the other ants. Finally, they also have the sugary items stored for their feast. Over here, you can see that while we are constructing our house, we have got the masons who are doing it with the help of the brick and cement. And finally, the carpenter comes and puts the doors and windows. Similarly, the carpenter ant also dig new rooms for the other members in the ant colony. Now, whom do we love the most in the world? Our mother, right? Why is that? Because she takes care of us from the time when we are babies, right? And finally, she takes care and raises us as well. Similarly, a queen ant and other female ants take care of the baby ants, just like our mother. So when there is a newborn in your family, everyone, including you, is so very excited and all you want to take care of the newborn, correct? Similarly, in the ant colony, after the queen lays her eggs, all the worker ants help in protecting the eggs and take care of them. Now, who in your family go to the market and fetches food and water for you? Well, your dad and mom, correct? And once they bring the food, they store it so that you can have it, correct? Similarly, over here as well in the ant colony, the ants stored the food so that these can be used by other ants as well. Well, although we have got our food, we still crave for the sweet items, right? Like the pastries, ice creams. Similarly, in the ant colony as well, they suck the nectar and store it for the other ants so that they can also have the sugary items just like you do. So, who protects your home? You have a security guard, correct? In fact, you will be surprised to know in ant colony there is the security ant who takes care of the colony and protects all the members who are staying in that colony. Just like your security guard protects you and your family in your apartment. Well, after this, the queen ant started laughing. Ha ha ha. And finally, she was all excited to say that she will keep on producing millions and millions of ants and the full world will be captured by them. Hearing that, John got scared and he started crying. And while John was asleep, he didn't realize when a red ant had come and bitten him. Suddenly, he got up and he realized that it was a big bad dream. Well, my dear kid, so I'm sure now you have understood that you should never ever mess with the ant colony and you should always protect yourself from them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.